Hello friends, so I know it's high time that by this time you guys have decided that which college you are going for your future studies, for your postgraduate, everything. So this video can help you that what things you need to carry before entering any MBA college or any other college just in case. So stay updated, stay till at last, you'll get much of the things you should carry and which you can carry, things like that. So okay, so let's start with what things you should have. Let's starting with you must have. So the first thing is your documentation. You should have your proper documentation ready. In documentation, what requires your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your other personal details. After that, your work experience letter if you have any. If you have don't internship letter. If you haven't done anything volunteering certificate. What are the certificates which you will be mentioning on your CV? That your joining letter for that college and other college emails. Please print the email in a hard copy format, so that you don't need to find that on that phone, and you need to submit sometimes in different colleges you need to submit the mail email also. So yeah, keep that things handy. So in terms of documentation, I think it's pretty good, and I've made a video on documentation, what things you should carry on your interview. So you need to carry everything. I'll put the link for that video in the description. You can check it out. So okay, the documentation part is done. Now let's go to your outfits. So first very important thing is your formal outfit. Any college you'll be going, please don't wait that you will go there and make like different formal outfits you will carry. You can buy from there. Please carry at least one set of formal outfit beforehand, because there will be many guest lectures in which formal attire is must. So please be prepared with that. So in terms of formal attire, what I'll say that you should have one blazer. I'm telling in terms of my case, I carried one navy blazer and the one navy suit, and two pairs of trousers, one navy trousers and one black trousers. I carried 4 shirts, solid shirts. Shirts must be solid, and this goes for both girls and boys. These 3 things. Now it comes for formal shoes is must, and please have a word with your seniors that what kind of formal shoes are allowed, because in IMT you can see this in this image, this Oxford formal shoes are only allowed. So just in case, please have a word with your seniors regarding the formal shoes. Please have formal solid socks, don't textured, no patterned solid socks, and the same goes for shirts also. And 2 ties I'll prefer, one navy blue tie and one black tie, which will match your outfit on the pants a lot. And one more thing is your belt. The belt should be decent. It's not like you should have a belt which is shining the logo very much. It should be like a normal buckle belt is enough. And I don't think if you're not required to go for any big brands, you can get this for normal reasonable brands also at affordable prices. So this is in terms of your attire. Yeah, and other than your formal attire, please carry your polo t-shirts, your comfortable t-shirts, your sports t-shirts, and other things. That totally depends upon you person to person, but this is the formal attire which is generally asked and expected the student must bring. Just in case, if you think that you need to buy from college itself, there are colleges who provide you the same facility. Like, they don't provide you, they will connect you with their vendors who can help you out with that. So you can, but I suggest to please carry at least one set of formals like shirt, pant, and socks and a tie beforehand, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, and after taking care of your formal outfits and all, now third thing is your medication. Please have your medical supplies be handy with you, because there's a region shift, there are places shift, so you will face some health problems like basic fever, cough, mouth ulcer. These are the basic things which everyone faced during my time also. So please keep your medication handy. Fourth, your electronical gadgets. I'll prefer, please carry a power bank, because there will be time you won't be able to charge your phone, you won't get time to charge your phone. So please carry your phone, carry a power bank. And also it will be great if you can carry an extension cord, because there will be time that you need to charge more than 1 or 2 gadgets, and I don't know whether the extra socket will be near your bed or what, or something like that. So please carry an extension cord, it will be easy for you. So other than this, your other laptops and laptop chargers, mobile chargers, if you are carrying any tablets, those are the personal things which you can carry. And along with that, it totally depends upon college whether you can carry any steamer or any kettle. So please check the college handbook. You will get the information that kettle or steamers are allowed or not. So you will get the full information about that. In our college, it's not allowed. So, but yeah, we have other facilities through which we can do. We have a pantry, so over there we have oven, microwave, so we can manage with that. And along with this, now let's talk about what are the toiletries you can carry. You can carry all the toiletries, but my personal opinion is that wherever you are going, you will have the Blinkit and other options, so you can just blink it from there. It will reduce your weight if you're traveling or something like that. So this comes to the toiletries part also done. And now the most important thing, is required is umbrella. Yeah, and why most important? Because you'll join in June or July, something like that, and after that rainy season starts, and you will face problem before going to your classes or going to any other places. So umbrella is must, or raincoat, whatever you prefer. And along with that, you should also carry a shoe cleaning, because for formal shoes, your shoes will get dirty. So proper shoe cleaning is must. You guys can buy this from Blinkit and itself, but it's better that you should have few things in handy with you. And yes, please carry a pen, because while entering the college there will be sometimes you will be requiring a pen, a paper. So please carry at least one notebook and a pen. It will be easy. You can buy that from Blinkit, Snap, and other things. So but yeah, these things are must, you should have. I'm so sorry. One more thing which you guys should carry is a ethnic wear, because there are some programs, there are some cultural fests in which the college will ask you to wear ethnic, come in different styles and then like that. There will be other things. Just in case, if you are having any questions, okay, can I carry this, can I carry this, not, you feel free to comment it out on the comment section. So I'll be there to help you out. I've attached my Instagram and LinkedIn IDs also. You can feel free. And yeah, I've uploaded few more videos about that. Just watch it out. You'll get more clarity about what things are to be done, what things you should do before joining any MB college. Things I've made videos on that. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.